So for my project, I created a module that uses a power line's temperature and sag level to detect when it's being overloaded, and it uses the change in temperature to calculate the potential for overload. The module uses a temperature probe connected directly onto the power line, along with a distance sensor to measure the sag, and a LED that lights up whenever the cable is overloaded. There's also a voltage regulator that feeds power directly to the power line. And all the data is logged directly to the Arduino console. It shows the temperature, sag level, and the rate of temperature increase or decrease. And it also reports the amount of stress and the active status of the cable. So here's a demonstration. If I plug in the wire, we are now feeding voltage directly to the power line. Specifically, about 8 volts of power is currently being output, and as you can see, this is causing the temperature of the probe to go up, and the console is predicting an overload in about 10 seconds due to the high voltage. And then, it's reporting that it's stressed. And as the temperature reaches 40 degrees, just for demonstrative purposes, the LED lights up and the console prints that there is an overload. Now, when the environment changes, by including plugging in or using a fan to replicate wind, then the temperature probe detects that there is cooling detected, and obviously in a real world scenario the voltage would go down and the power line would not be getting this much power, but just for demonstrative purposes, power is still being fed, and the cooling causes the stress and temperature to go down, and the console reports this data. And so this is a very just basic representation of a module that can be used in the real world to keep an actively track the status of power lines and monitor it in real time and provide reports to engineers whenever weather conditions change. Thank you.